Hello fellow stackers, 365 here. Welcome to my channel. So this is my first video on the channel. This channel is going to be documenting and talking about my silver stacking journey. So thanks for checking out this video. I'm just going to make this first video short and sweet. I kind of wanted to tell you a bit of background, how I got into stacking and my reason for stacking, and then we'll go from there. So I've been stacking now for about a year and a half. I've been mainly stacking silver. I have got some gold in the stack, but I do think silver has a greater potential. So that is my reason for mainly focusing on silver. As you can probably tell from my accent, I'm from the UK. So the Britannia is my go-to bullion coin. These ones are the 2022 version. You can see they've got lots of security features. They've got a trident that turns into a padlock here. They've got the waves. They've got small, I don't know if it's going to focus, small writing around the rim here. And they've got a number of other security features as well that I'll talk about at length in a future video. So the reason I got into precious metals in the first place was because I could see the value and the spending power of the pound decreasing every single year. Currently inflation, I think it's sitting around 10.1%. So that means if I was to hold my money in cash, in fiat currency, every single year it would be worth 10% less than it is today. Whereas over the long term, if you look back at the charts for silver, you can see that it's stood the test of time. It seems to be a very good store of wealth, and I just wanted somewhere I could put my money and know that it wasn't losing its value every single year. Now don't get me wrong, silver, if you look at the charts, it does go up and down, but as a kind of long-term investment, and I'm talking 10 to 15 years, you tend to see that the upside is more than the downside in the long term. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, so do always do your own research before investing in anything. These videos are for entertainment purposes only. But if silver's your thing, if you're thinking about getting into stacking, please do subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be trying to upload regular videos to this channel. I'm going to go into my stack in further detail. I'm going to be showcasing all my different coins and bars that I've accumulated over the last year and a half. If you have any ideas of videos that you would like to see, do let me know. Thank you very much for stopping by and watching this video, and I hope you have a nice day.